Hello and welcome to another IronTop tutorial. My name is Julia and today I would like to show you how to establish a depth scale in SurfaceLab. A depth calibration in general is the conversion of an intensity time profile to an intensity depth profile. This is done by assuming a constant sputter yield or erosion rate determined by measuring the crater depth after the measurement, knowing the exact depth of internal tracers, or the transfer of a sputter yield from another dataset. Since SurfaceLab 6.8, there is the opportunity to establish a depth scale with sectional sputter rates. In this way, it is possible to do a depth calibration for multi-layer systems by applying the depth scale for each layer individually. To establish a depth scale, open the depth calibration toolbar via the menu or by using the shortcut F3. Insert new layers by clicking Insert or with Shift-Control left mouse click. Edit the start and the end of the layer directly in the profile view or inside the table. Define the thickness of each layer or enter a known sputter yield erosion rate. Finally, apply the depth calibration with Establish. If necessary, you can transfer the depth calibration to other datasets with the main menu. I will show you how to do all this on two examples in our software. Open the depth calibration toolbar with the respective button in the main toolbar via the Profile menu or with the hotkey F3. In this example, a boron implant in silicon was measured. After the acquisition, the crater depth has been determined by external means such as a profilometer. Only one layer is defined in the toolbar which covers the entire profile. The measured crater depth is entered as end depth into the table. Press Establish to apply the depth calibration to the profile view. If needed, you can copy the depth calibration to other datasets with the main menu by using either the erosion rate or the sputter yield. The sputter yield is calculated by taking the sputter current into account. This value is recorded in the measurement header and is shown in the depth calibration toolbar as well. If no sputter current is entered into the header, the sputter yield will not be calculated. In this example, a multi-layer system of two different substances with 5 layers each and a known thickness of 100 nanometers per layer was measured. To establish a sectional depth calibration, edit the start and the end of the layer in the profile view. Insert new layers by clicking Insert or with Shift-Control left mouse click. Define the thickness of each layer. At the end, apply the depth calibration with Establish. I have prepared the result with all layers right here. 10 layers have been defined with a thickness of 100 nanometers each. This results in different sputter yields for substance 1 and 2. The overall crater depth displayed is calculated by using the sputter yield of the last layer defined and applying it linearly until the end of the profile. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. My name is Julia. Thank you for watching and goodbye.